Do you want YouTube to push your videos? It's very simple. Do you know the reason why YouTube is not pushing your videos? It's because you are not uploading it in the right way, or you don't know what you are doing. There are three things that you must do in order for YouTube to push your videos. The first one is you must know the type of content that you are creating, or the type of video that you want to create. It must fall under certain category. If it is comedy, use comedy throughout until you grow your channel. If it is entertainment, use entertainment throughout until you grow your channel. If it is about tech or education, use it throughout until you grow your channel. This is because if you change your content, YouTube will not be able to find your target audience. If you change it, it will be very difficult for YouTube to find your target audience. And number two is upload your videos by using catchy thumbnails. You must use catchy thumbnails and titles, which will attract viewers. It will attract viewers on YouTube. And also, use tags so that when people type anything in the search engine, your videos can pop up some. Use tags a lot so that your videos can also pop up when viewers try to type anything in the search engine. Number three is know when you want to upload your videos. If you decide to upload your videos in the morning, always try to use the same approach. If you decide to upload it in the afternoon or evening, try to use the same approach to upload your videos. And the most important thing is always try to schedule your videos. Try to schedule your videos. This will allow YouTube to take their time to go through your videos and know your target audience. So you must always try to schedule your videos. Try to schedule your videos a lot. It's very important. And I think if you do this, it will be less difficult for you to grow your channel very fast.